Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Pho Hoa soup using an easy method. First, let's create the flavorful broth. Begin with about 8 cups of good quality beef or chicken broth. Gently toast whole spices like 2-star anise pods, 4 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick in a dry pan for about 30 seconds. Then, char 1 onion and a 2-inch piece of ginger before adding them to the broth with the toasted spices. Simmer for at least 30 minutes. Next, let's prepare the noodles and protein. For the noodles, choose flat rice noodles, either fresh or dried, and cook them according to the package instructions until they are tender but still firm. For your protein, thinly slice about 8 ounces of beef sirloin against the grain, or use cooked chicken breast. Having all your components ready before assembly makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect bowl every time. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pho bowl. First, place a generous portion of the prepared rice noodles into a large, deep serving bowl. Next, carefully arrange the thinly sliced protein, whether it's raw beef or cooked chicken, over the noodles. Finally, and most importantly, ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over all the ingredients. The heat from the broth will gently cook the raw beef if you are using it. To complete your pho experience, don't forget the fresh garnishes. Offer a plate with crisp bean sprouts, fragrant fresh basil leaves, and bright lime wedges. You can also provide hoisin sauce and sriracha for those who enjoy a little extra sweetness or heat. Serve your delicious homemade pho immediately. This easy method allows you to enjoy a comforting and flavorful bowl of pho right in your own home, anytime you crave it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.